How to fix No More Room in Hell 2 is crashing. So first you want to go back to your library and then right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now in the launch options you will need to add -dx11, then go to the installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed you can close this window. Now you will need to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which you can find below in the description. And from here, you'll need to scroll down and download and install the redistributables. You'll need the 86 and the 64 installer, both of them. Now, when you finish this installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. So make sure to do that. And right after restarting your computer, you will need to update your GPU driver. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need this NVIDIA app installed on your computer. You can look it up from the browser and install it. Then go to the drivers section. And from here, make sure to download and install the latest available driver update. Now, if you have AMD, you will need the AMD software instead. And once you've installed the driver update, all you need to do is right click on Steam, run it as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.